Good afternoon and welcome to me taking mates. That's all I can say. Um, it is sorry. Currently 36 minutes past 15, or shall I say half past 3, and I'm taking mates at say 20 minutes earlier than I should, because I'm scaling down, so I'm also withdrawing faster, which is not a good thing. Let me put it to you that way. But I did upload a video where it shows you the symptoms which I'm having from the methadone. I figured out that it is my allergic reaction was not food related at all. It was actually methadone related. So now I'm in a bit of trouble. I'm allergic to the one thing that can save me and keep me sober. And it also swells my face. So I am currently trying to scale off rapidly before I go to the doctor, and you know what they're gonna do. We both know what they're gonna do. They're gonna stop my medication immediately. I'll go out of my mind because the withdrawals will be unbearable and I will relapse. So, wish me well. I just pray to God that my allergic symptoms does not get worse with this medication. So, I'm gonna have to, while it's still medium reaction, and while the allergic tablets are still working for the reaction, I'm gonna have to try and scale off completely off of the meds. Last night I washed my braids and some of them came out, so I'm gonna take all of them out now.